My overall experience with Paradise Exteriors went very well. They were great. The salesman was great in explaining everything to us from the outset. He came over, they was very prompt. The explanation was thorough. We were very satisfied with the way the pricing went. And as far as the installation and the quality of the windows, can't be beat. The installation crew was great. They came in with a big crew. There must have been, I would say, 7 or 8 guys. And so they did the whole job in one day. And it was very complete. They took out the old window. We even had a little bit of a leak from the old window. They repaired everything. They were terrific. Paradise was really good at communicating with us. They let us know how long the windows would take to order. Once we, finalized the deal, then the order came in on time. Everyone was great at calling us from the office. If we weren't available, they left a voicemail and we got back to them. So the communication was everything that we could have asked for. Yes, I would recommend you wholeheartedly to other people.